Hi guys, so today I'm here with Maine and Brianna, and she's my friend in real life, so she wants an autograph. Let's make such cool autograph. Can I gift her? Liz, I want to gift someone so bad. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. Stupid. I did have pets, but I freed them all. This is annoying. Wait, what? She knew I was coming here. I'm wearing this color. I'm wearing orange and gold. This is my bed. Okay, finally. Tiny. I love this girl outfit. Shout out to her. Guys, don't ever give pink. Oh my gosh. She's wearing something pink. The backpack. It's pink. Who are you? I like that outfit. It's actually kind of cool. Guys, I'll just have to end it there because I'm bored. I just wanted to record because I am so bored and everything. Oh my gosh. I lost my bears. Okay.